Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have this is x cubed divided by x is equals to 1. We have this is cubic equation and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So because this is cubic equation, this means that this equation has three roots. We need to find all that three roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are the solution or which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. The very first step we are going to do is first we move the term x from left hand side to the right hand side. When we move it to the right hand side, it is multiplied by 1, and we will get here x cubed is equals to x multiplied by 1 is equals to x. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications here, and we will get this x from right hand side to the left hand side, and we obtain here x cubed minus x, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see that both of these two terms involve x. So we will be take common x from here, and when we take common x we get the remaining values are from here we get x square minus 1 is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square minus 1 equals to 0. So here in the second case we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So according to this nice formula, we expand our second case as in this form, because this is x square minus 1, and we write it as x square minus we write 1 as 1 square, and this whole equation equals to 0. And here we use this nice formula, and according to this formula we write this term as x minus 1 times of x plus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So we again divide this into the two cases. The first case is again we write here x minus 1 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x plus 1 equals to 0. Here we move minus 1 to the right hand side, and we get the value of x is equals to plus 1, and from this we move plus 1 to the right hand side, and we get the value of x is equals to minus 1. So here we have this is x is equals to 0. So we get these are the three roots of the given equation, which we get here from first method. And now in the next step we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for a verification of these roots, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x cubed divided by x is equals to 1. This is the given question statement, and here in this side we will be verify x is equals to plus 1, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to minus 1. So first we need to focus on x is equals to plus 1. So for this we put x equals to 1 into the left hand side, and we will get here now 1 cubed divided by 1 is equals to 1. And you see here 1 cubed equals to 1 divided by 1 is equals to 1, and we obtain here 1 equals to 1. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value x is equals to 1 is satisfied our given question statement. And likewise we verify the second value of x, and we substitute again x equals to minus 1 into the left hand side, and we obtain minus 1 cubed divided by minus 1 is equals to 1. Again you see here minus 1 cubed becomes minus 1 divided by minus 1 is equals to 1, and this minus 1 and this minus 1 are cancelled out by each other, and we get here 1 is equals to 1. This shows that again both of the sides are equal. It means that the second value of x is also satisfied our given question statement. So here it means that the value of x is equals to 1 and plus 1 is satisfied our given question statement. And now we verify the third value of x. It is x is equals to 0. So for verification of x is equals to 0, we again put x is equals to 0 into the left hand side of this equation. So after substitution, it will be written as 0 cubed divided by 0 is equals to 1, and further 0 cubed becomes here 0 divided by 0 is equals to 1. So you see that in the left hand side we get 0 over 0 form, or we usually call that it is indeterminate form, or it is undefined form. If our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. And if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value x is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we will be called that x is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement, and we have x is equals to 1 and minus 1 satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this question is plus minus 1. So this is the our final answer which we get here from first method. And now in the next step we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method, here first we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is x cubed divided by x is equals to 1. This is the given question statement, and here we use another technique to solve this problem. So here we use the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m minus n. According to this rule, you see that the exponent of the denominator term is 1. So we move this 1 to the upsides, and it will becomes here x to the power of 3 minus 1 is equals to 1. And further we have x to the power of 3 minus 1 becomes here 2 is equals to 1. And now here for the values of x we need to take square root on both of the sides, so that when we apply square root it will becomes here in this form. So this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here our x is equals to plus minus 1. So in the second method, you see here we obtain these are the two roots of the given equation, and in the first method we already verify that these two roots satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of the given question is x is equals to plus minus 1. This is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.